Taking care of your mind. Understanding mental health. Do you want to take care of your mind? It's important to understand mental health. Let's talk about recognizing and managing common mental health disorders. 1. Anxiety. Feeling worried or anxious sometimes is normal, but if it's constant and overwhelming, it might be an anxiety disorder. Symptoms can include feeling restless, tense, or having trouble sleeping. 2. Depression. Depression is more than just feeling sad. It's a serious mood disorder that affects how you feel, think, and handle daily activities. Symptoms can include feeling hopeless, losing interest in things you used to enjoy, and changes in appetite or sleep. 3. Bipolar disorder. Bipolar disorder involves extreme mood swings that include emotional highs, mania or hypomania, and lows, depression. Symptoms can include feeling unusually energetic or irritable during manic episodes and feeling sad or hopeless during depressive episodes. 4. PTSD. Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, can develop after experiencing a traumatic event. Symptoms can include flashbacks, nightmares, and severe anxiety. 5. ADHD. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. ADHD is a common neurodevelopmental disorder that can affect attention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. Symptoms can include trouble focusing, being easily distracted, and acting impulsively. It's important to remember that mental health disorders are common, and help is available. If you or someone you know is struggling, reach out to a trusted healthcare provider or mental health professional for support. You're not alone, and there is hope for better mental health.